Today we're discussing dishwashers. By the end of this video, you'll become more familiar with the different types and styles of dishwashers we carry here at Apt: UnderCounter, Portable, and Countertop. UnderCounter dishwashers are the most traditional type. They have unfinished sides, are designed to be installed under a countertop, and can be ordered two ways. Traditional, which comes in three sizes: 24-inch wide by 34-inch tall full size, 24-inch wide by 32-inch ADA compliant, and 18 by 34-inch compact. And dish drawers, which can be purchased as a 24-inch wide double or single unit. The double drawer models can be used independently or together, offering ultimate flexibility, and can be installed into a standard dishwasher opening. The single drawer models give you the ability to have a dishwasher without losing full cabinet space. These single drawer models are fully functional and are large enough to accommodate long stem wine glasses, large pans, or 13-inch dinner plates. The biggest advantage of a single dish drawer model is that they're only about 18 inches tall, allowing you to install them higher in cabinets so that loading requires minimal bending. Both types, standard and dish drawer, require a designated waterline and designated cabinet space to work. They have interiors that are large enough to accommodate anywhere from 7 to 16 place settings, with decibel ratings anywhere between 38 and 55. The lower the decibel numbers, the quieter the dishwasher. The main advantage of an under-counter dishwasher is convenience. It's always there, ready to use when you need it. Other than the fact that they do require a permanent installation, resulting in the loss of cabinet space, and they are not transportable if you change locations, there are very little disadvantages of an under-counter dishwasher. Here are some things to consider when buying a dishwasher. Cabinet dimensions. Dishwashers require a standard cabinet opening of 24 inches wide by 24 inches deep by 34.5 inches high. Some of today's dishwashers can be as deep as 25.5 inches, which will stick out past your cabinets, so keep this in mind when shopping for a dishwasher. Interior space and rack flexibility. Think about the number of people in your family. You'll want to select a dishwasher that can accommodate your dishwashing needs, as well as hard-to-fit dishes like large bowls, pots, and extra tall items. Sound level. If your dishwasher is near a family room or office, it's best to select a unit with a low decibel rating to ensure the noise level isn't disturbing. Portable and countertop dishwashers are ideal for renters, or someone looking for the ability to have a dishwasher but may not have available cabinet space. They connect to most faucets by using an included tap adapter with two hoses. One retrieves the water that cycles into your dishwasher, the other funnels out wastewater. Portable dishwashers come in two sizes, 18 and 24 inches, and have interiors that are large enough to accommodate anywhere from 8 to 12 place settings. They have finished sides and roll around on casters. They can be stored away when not in use, and they don't require a dedicated space to function. Most countertop dishwashers fall into the size category of around 22 inches wide by 17 high by 20 deep, and typically weigh around 50 pounds. Most can accommodate up to 6 place settings, though due to its compact size, you will have to hand wash larger pots and pans. Countertop dishwashers need to be near the sink to function, so make sure you have enough counter space near your sink to accommodate the dishwasher before you make a purchase. The advantages of a portable or countertop dishwasher are they do not require a dedicated water line. They can be used almost anywhere there is a working faucet. They use less water and clean better than hand washing. In addition, they are conveyable if you change locations. The disadvantages are they have to connect to a faucet, which will limit access to your sink while the dishwasher is running. They do not work with every type of faucet. You will need a place to store the unit when not in use. They do not come with many options. In addition, they tend to run louder than most built-in traditional models. The sound ratings on a portable dishwasher usually range anywhere between 52 and 58 decibels. Today's dishwashers are more energy efficient, use less water, and come loaded with all sorts of features. The more popular features are height-adjustable racks, which give you the ability to place taller items on the top or bottom level. Third-row racks or cutlery trays that allow extra space for oversized utensils or small bowls. There's also the ability to add a custom panel and hardware, depending on the model you choose. To learn more about dishwashers and all the options available, visit us at apt.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.